Welcome to the first episode of Lake Island Reptiles. I'm Brandon. It's going to be our first unboxing. I got two white leathers from Fire and Ice. They've come in this nice little package here. Let's get them out of here so we can get them warmed up. I always suggest cutting up and never into a package. And away from your fingers, of course. One should be a male, one should be a female. They're both white pets. The box is already warm, I can tell. First one, ooh, they're pretty. Number two, that's number two. This is number one. Get that out of the way. Big and fat looking. Come on. Hey baby. Let's see, this is going to be my male. Number one. Hey buddy. Look how big and fat he is. Just back to him around for you there. See, he's big and fat. Let's put him right here for a second. And this will be my female. Yup. A baby. Pretty girl. Yeah, looking everywhere. Oh, we took your baby. We took your baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Looks like she's a little more feisty. Baby girl. Really pretty. So my two whites. Tail's already in shed. So let me get them a quick bath real quick and get them in their container so they can eat and warm them up. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Hope to see you again.